Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Ashna Khan and I discuss film reviews, film analysis, books, stories, web series, anything that catches my fancy. And today I am going to discuss this web series on Netflix. It is called Khalifat. It is a Swedish thriller drama television series and we will discuss more about it so that you get to know whether it's worth your time or not. So here is the Khilafat details. The story starts with Perveen. She is a young Muslim woman from Sweden who lives under the ISIL control in Raqqa, Syria, with her husband and her newborn daughter Latifa, and she is caught in this web of terrorism and living in war-torn Syria, where she wants to escape, not for her own self also, but also for her daughter, where she wants a secured life for her daughter, and she's caught in this web where she wants to do anything that will help her to escape this pathetic uh, life that she is going into. Caliphate team is also exploring the terrorism that has this that catches these young girls and boys into this web of terrorism. We see well-to-do girls and boys, they are manipulated in such a way that they get torn away from their families, and then they are following this ridiculous path of terrorism, and how these masterminds, they manipulate the mind of these young innocent people, how slightest of mistakes can change their life and make them end up in hell. So Caliphate discusses these themes. The goods about this review is that it is an awesome nail-biting thriller. You will be exploring the raw, authentic world of Syria and the oppression that these people will face, and you will be right from first scene of the web series. You will be sucked into this world where you will see people with gun, and you will be there will be a feeling of suffocation. You will want to cry with the main protagonist. When she cries, the newborn baby will add to the trauma of the web series. So there was one time when I was watching this web series, I was feeling that I just couldn't stop at one episode because it stopped at such a important place where I wanted to know whether this girl will be safe or not. So that is how interesting this will get. So all the world is real, the people are real, the characters are fleshed out in 3D, like they're not the flat characters, they are fleshed out characters, and you will get the authentic feel of this. There are amazing moments where you will want to cry, where you will want to just, you will heave a sigh of relief. You will also get tensed along with the characters. You will feel yourself entering the world through this web series. You will want to shout at these people, why are you doing this? And then you will want to shout, run from this hell, run. And then you will cry when you see some pathetic moment coming in between. So the goods are this nail biting thriller, the amazing characters, the awesome storylines, and the real world that they have created. The bads, yeah, of course, it is a television series, so you might find it a bit stressed out in some places. Yes, it will test your patience in some places because you will feel that the same scenes are being repeated, the same dialogues are being repeated, and then you will want, there will come a stagnant point where you will want to move, you will want things to move faster, but it will take its own sweet time to reach to the conclusion where you want to reach faster. But just hang on, because this will just pass, and then once that stagnation point passes, then you will have this nail biting thriller. So thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. This is an awesome web series which you should not miss. The season 2 is about to come, so watch out for that. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.